What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Just Fly, where we do as the name suggests, we just fly. If you're looking for more technical videos, you're at the wrong spot. Although we do have a semi-in-depth review of the Mavic Mini. I don't know if you guys are interested, but go check that out. But yeah, today we are doing, I guess you could call it a range test. Just flying around. We have little to no wind. I mean, it's coming off in like spurts and stuff, and I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a good, fun flight. So yeah, let's take off.
Take off.
That, though, Alright, now we're recording. Alright, took off from the porch. Cool, looks like everything works. Now we're going out over this way. I'm gonna go down there where it's a bit shadier. Alright, here we go. This is perfect. So, like I said, a bit of a range test. We are on top of a hill right now. An incredible view. I mean, it is so cool. But yeah, it is currently like 4 or 5 o'clock, 4:45-ish. And we're gonna do a range test. I flew out this way. There's nothing really incredible like fly out to and stuff, so I've never really done a range test, and as you can see, this is like the perfect spot to do a range test, and with little to no wind, it seems like absolutely perfect. So we just have a bit of headwinds. I mean, we are only going a good, 17 miles an hour. We were going only like 15. But yeah. So what I mean by range test, I mean I'm gonna push it till until it says return to home, because I'm not losing this drone. And with a bit of headwind like we have, I just want to see how far I can get it. Because I'm not losing it, and on a day like this, I just want to see how far I can push it before I get that return to home, and it looks like I'm going to be getting it in about 11 minutes and 42 seconds. So we'll take it up just a bit higher, because if I do lose transmission, I know I want to be over everything. So 250 feet seems pretty good. Like a good middle grounds, I guess you could say. Just a nice, calm, relaxing video. There's a nice town and a village back this way where I'm going. This is the way I got the furthest, and so this is the way I'm gonna be heading. But I don't know how many. I think I might do a couple videos here. There's no clouds in the sky, so no storms. We might do a range test this way, and then in another video go up over a mountain, because you can't see it right now, but we're in a hilly terrain, so there's this really cool like mountain, so many fields and stuff, because right now we're at an apple orchard, or a house on a hill, and then apple orchards down below the hill and stuff. So yeah. So we're about to hit a mile, it looks like. Almost. We're at 80% battery, and I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but it's a little windy. I mean, the drone is doing really well right now. Alright, so it looks like we reached a mile, just about. And it looks like we lost transmission, but now we got it back. Or we lost FPV. Oh. Alright, that's good. There we go. This is weird, because on the first flight, no transmission. We're going to cancel that. We will pull up the map, though. That's weird, because on my first flight, I did not lose any transmission. But now it looks like we got it back. And we are flying now. So I don't know when this is coming out. As you guys know, I mean, I don't really post an order. This could be coming out. It's currently August 8th, 2020 right now. I could be posting this in September, October. I have no idea. But I don't post an order. But the app got a new update, which I think is weird. All right, so second time it says we lost transmission. So where are we? All right. I'm gonna come back out over here a little bit more. All right. See, the RC bars is jumping up and down right now. So we're about 7,300 feet away. I'm gonna bring it up a bit more though. I want to go right over this tower. We'll take it up to 300 feet. I think that's what I did. Yeah, the RC thing is jumping up and down right now, and I don't know why. So now it's showing red, but cancel. I have no idea what's going on, so maybe we can't do a range test. I'll try one more idea, and we'll go back up here. Because when I was on this high ground right here, it was working out, but now it seems to not be working out. And this is where I was sitting, exactly right here this morning when I did this flight. My brightness seems to be going back down. Need like a visor or something. Alright, so it looks like we're not losing transmission at all. And right there, this thing, you probably can't see it on the GoPro, but I'll put an arrow estimating where it is. So we are out pretty far, but I just lost transmission again. Alright, and I got it back. And up here is a train station. Alright, so it looks like we got 1 minute and 47 seconds until it's going to say return to home. But we'll go for just a tad bit longer, because I have not been flying for that long. I don't know if I like the new update or not. It doesn't tell me how long I've been flying, or I have not found that feature yet. Okay.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Return to home promptly. We'll push it to 10,000. I mean, 10,000 feet away, that's a pretty big landmark. I mean, well, milestone, I guess you could say. That is like 2 miles. Or almost 2 miles. Well, here, I keep losing connection. Return to home, no transmission. Alright, over here there is a train station. Or they load up different stuff. And it's the village behind the tower. I mean, the tower is as far as I can see. Alright. Forgot to turn my notifications off. Oh well. Anyway, okay, so it looks like I still have that transmission. We're 10,000 feet away. I'm going to 10,500, so I'm pretty sure that would clear 2 miles, the 2 mile mark. Okay. 10,300, 10,400. Remote control lost. Okay. So it looks like my controller lost connection. It looks like. And I'm not sure if we made it, but we have a little over half battery. Okay, cool. Looks like we're back. We're back. Alright, I'm pushing it to 10,500 feet.
Maximum flight distance reached.
I have to put it up a little more. Okay, we'll put it to 13,000. Weak signal. Oh, come on. $10,500. Alright, we made it. That was our goal. I'm bringing it back. But it looks like...
Go home.
Alright, there we go. Go home, it says. Alright, I'm just going to pull it up on the map. We're going to put it into sport mode so we get back a little faster.
Go home.
Alright, and now I'll put an arrow on where I am, how far away I am, so you guys can see that. So yeah, it's going to take us a few minutes to get back, but we are very far away. I mean, there's a nice little village, and then you got this tower. You can see all the hilly terrain that I was talking about, so really interesting. And the sun is probably in the best position right now to record. It's about 5 o'clock. So we're really pushing it. It's at 48%. We got 9 minutes until my battery completely goes dead. We are going to get back in 9 minutes. So I lost transmission again. We're going 33 miles an hour, so we got tailwind, I guess you could say. Getting a little bit of a boost, which is nice. And we're about 8,000 feet away, which is absolutely incredible if you ask me. I'm not sure if we went 2 miles. I'm not sure what 2 miles is, but 10,500 feet is definitely huge. I mean, that is such a long distance. Yeah. Alright, I can see where I am located. And there's the pond. So really cool. I guess we can fly around the orchards for a little bit when we get back. Or when it gets back, depending on how much battery I do have. The bugs are a bit bad though, I will say. Alright. Crossed over a road. There's a huge truck. Wow. Big tanker truck. I wonder where he is if I can see him. But it is very hot out today. We're almost there. We are 3,800 or 3,700 feet away, so we are now less than a mile, which is nice to know, reassuring that we are making it. And we are now back into the green, which is really good because that means that we don't have to return to home. We got 5 minutes until we have to do a forced landing. So 5 more minutes of this video, I guess. Can do what we want. It's so weird for stuff to talk about other than the flight. I mean, they're just relaxing videos. Hope you guys are enjoying them. Thank you for all the recent support. I mean, I forget how many watch hours I got, or I'm getting, but I know they're long videos, so it's helping out, but it's incredible. Alright, so here is where I am in that house. So I guess we can fly around. Let's go back in primary mode. How much time until... Alright, 1 minute and 40 seconds until it's going to do one of those things again. And I got to be careful of power lines. Alright. So there isn't any power lines over here, except for the ones along the road. So really neat. These are all apple orchards. Imagine how many apples that would give. But yeah, I'll probably do a second flight here. This one probably is going to be posted first as like a range test, sort of. sort of video. But yeah, imagine, I think I hear it. Huh. Just imagine all these apples. How many apples do you think you would get from this? That blows my mind that this is all orchard and stuff. For the next video, I think I want to go up over this way or something. It just looks so cool. But so many orchards. Alright, we're sitting at a 28% right now. And we just lost transmission. Okay. So a bit of a mini range test. I know this drone can go further. Not that I want to push it further, but the amount of land that we've crossed today in this video is pretty mind-blowing though. I mean, 10,500 feet. Pretty incredible. And back over here we have this really cool, pretty pond. I hear it. A little hum. Oh, and I see it. Alright. I always say these videos are short, but they always end up being like 20 minutes long. When you fly around though...
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
That though, because I want to talk to you guys. Whenever you're flying a drone around though, and you're using just the battery level and you just fly, you're not doing a review and stuff, like, time really flies. Now we're getting that low battery warning because we just passed 20%. I'm going to bring it down. So, yeah. These videos are like 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes long. Like, my shortest video is like 14, 13 minutes on this channel, which is super funny. I mean, I'll definitely get my watch time before anything, I think, before I get the amount of subscribers I need. Oh, I overshot that. Here, we'll go this way. We'll put it in C mode. Cinematic. Hyper smooth. Alright, and bring it in. There's a pool. Alright, so more precise. Here we go. And bring it right in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, because all the support I can get on these videos is gonna help me out a lot, because this is such a small channel. Alright, I have nothing else to say. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.